In this video I'm going to show you how to see the first post you ever liked on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Instagram application and there hit at your profile icon. Next tap on menu icon and there hit on your activity. Then tap on interactions and next tap on likes. There would be all the posts that you ever liked on Instagram sorted from newest to oldest, and now all you have to do is hit on sort and filter, sort by, and there hit on oldest to newest and then hit on apply. Now all posts are sorted from oldest to newest, so the first post is the oldest post you have ever liked on Instagram. You can open it up and look at that, and also you can unlike that post, so this post will be removed out of here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.